Hi everyone, this is Rohindra Chaudhary. I have been watching new movies and shows for a long time, and my skill is that I can write exclusive reviews and analysis of those movies and shows. There was one time when I decided that I could actually make it into a product that can be out in the market, and people can easily get out the best movies and shows out there without googling a lot, like I feel sad today, what should I watch. Instead of that, if you make the work easy on social media, and they get to save anything that we post, they can come back to it and watch it later. So that was our specific motive behind recommendation the movie. And initially we started at a very slow pace. We had a very bad logo, and in the coming times we invested more in the logo. As we gained followers, OTT brands started approaching us to promote their shows and new movies. Like the last movie that we promoted was Gunjan Saxena, and then we also promoted shows like Hi, which is on MX Player, Ashram, and Scam 1992, which went on to become the best rated series of India. We also went and also promoted shows which are internationally renowned, like The Boys and Upload on Prime Video. These are some of those clients that we started getting. Initially, whatever we earned from the page by promoting brands or shows or whatsoever, we invested back in the page for the growth of the page. So in the upcoming times, the amount that we earn also increases. Now what we are trying to do, like in the space of last 6 months, we grew from 6,000 followers to now almost crossing 60,000, and I believe it's a big achievement that we have done in the last 6 months. Like 6 months back, we were paid only 100 or 200 per post. Now we're getting almost 6K per post or video or reel that we post on Instagram. We also have our website. Website always ensures more credibility in your content. It makes you have a more professional outlook, and also the settling of LinkedIn. It's very, very important. We are now thinking of building a bigger community, and we are introducing gaming and tech pages. We already have a music page